Today we are going to learn the concept of diphthongs and triphthongs. Let's have a look about the definition, sound and examples of diphthongs. So, what is a diphthong? Diphthongs are also known as gliding vowels. They are sounds that have two different vowels in the same syllable. That means you move your tongue and mouth position to produce two different sounds in a sequence when you pronounce a diphthong. There are 8 diphthong sounds in the English language which are given below. Here are some examples of diphthong sounds like cry, my, like, bright, lime, bake, rain, lay, eat, breathe, go, oh, slow, lone, though, bound, house, pair, layer, chair, career, fear, boy, quay, twy, fur and sure. What is the definition, sound and examples of triphthong? So, a triphthong is a glide from one vowel to another and then to a third, all produced rapidly and without interruption. The triphthongs consist of 5 closing diphthongs with a and on the end. There are 5 triphthongs. Example of triphthongs are layer, player, liar, fire, loyal, royal, lower, more, par and are. Here are some triphthongs with their examples like fire, tired, flyer, player, mere, loyal, royal, are, power, tower, lower and widower. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.